Hi, Peter here from Genuine University. So in the Making Money, Doing What You Love mini video series, we're talking a lot about marketing, and you may think I've kind of gone off on a tangent in the last few videos because I'm talking about productivity and time management and so on. I'm going to be talking today about getting more things done. And why? Because marketing is a mammoth activity. There is a lot to it. A lot of people think that marketing is just a simple little side project that you do for your business. But if you're doing your marketing well, marketing can be a major part of your business, if not a third or a half of what you're actually doing on a day-to-day basis, right? Because marketing actually communicates so much of your value, because that's what marketing is about, communicating value, that it's imperative to be able to manage yourself in order to get that marketing done so that your value can actually be communicated. Because if your value is not communicated, then it may even seem worthless, because it's really only valuable a lot of the time when it is shared. So I just want to talk to you for the next few videos about getting things done. Because getting more things done is not necessarily about doing more things, right? We don't just have to work harder and go for it and focus in on things in order to multiply our efforts. What most people do is they burn themselves out trying to be a hero, and then they waste all this energy on something that really doesn't warrant any heroism at all. If you manage your life correctly, the times when you actually need to be truly heroic are very minimal, if in your life at all. So it's as much an art as it is a science to zero in on the things that you can get done, which then have a follow-on effect and help you get a whole lot of other things done so much more easily. So this is about zeroing in on the things that make all of the difference. So choosing what is going to get the results is something that takes practice to get right. But if you consistently try to choose the things that get results, then it leads you to be able to know the difference between the things that actually work and the things that don't. So businesses that achieve really incredible success have done so because they've refined a method of getting better and better results over time. So conscious experimentation with a simple but effective way of keeping track of your results can lead to breakthroughs that will simply astound you. And when we get into the unbelievable upgrading part of this part of the mini video series, you'll be, I'm pretty confident you'll be astounded. You may even find it impossible to believe. So it's not as hard as you might think, really, because to do all of this, because really what it comes down to is just this. You need to, it's almost like a meditation, but if you just remember this, that each moment is a choice for the future. So choose a momentous future in every possible moment. If you simply do that, if you're making those powerful choices in each moment, not every single moment of your life, but at the critical moments, and tune into the moment each day and each hour, each half hour, each 15 minutes, just tune in and ask, what is the most momentous choice I can make in this moment for my future? If you do that and you make those choices, then you will get so much more done. You'll be so much more productive. You'll communicate your value to the world, and everybody else will be wealthier for it.